The new AI Plush 4G has been launched in the market for just 4,999 rupees. At this budget price, you get a large 6.75-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and videos feel very smooth. It comes with a Unisoc T615 processor, and you have options of 4GB or 6GB of RAM with 64GB and 128GB of storage. It also supports SD cards up to 1TB. When it comes to the camera, it has a 50-megapixel AI rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera, which takes sharp photos in daylight but performs on average at night. The battery is also large, a 5000 mAh one that will easily last all day, although the charging is a bit slow at only 10 watts. It runs on NxtQ OS based on Android 15, which provides a clean and smooth experience. For connectivity, it has dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The design has a premium boxy look and is available in several color options. So if you're looking for a reliable 4G smartphone on a budget, the AI Plush 4G is a great choice.